Hi guys, Electron Man. How you doing today? Well, got a different one today. Came across this in a Goodwill, and it's not shortwave. I usually like shortwave, but you know, anything nostalgic or I'd call it almost antique. I believe this is made like from what I could tell in the mid '60s. So she's definitely an old girl, and I picked it up for like $10. I mean, how can you not? I mean, if you look at it, it's got this leather case. This old guy must have sat in a closet for a long time, or somebody really cared about it and took good care of it. I mean, it is, I don't know if you can see all this, other than a little bit of scratching on the front here, and it's got one little dent right there. I mean, this thing is like mint. Even has a little extra satchel to hook over your shoulder. But anyway, we're going to go on this journey together and see if it works. I mean, that's the $1,000,000 question now. Get that off of there. Is if it works, it was quite the little bargain. Maybe a cool little weather radio if we lose power. I mean, it's only AM, FM, but I mean, it covers the whole AM spectrum plus FM. And it's no GE. What was the model number on that? I think I saw it on the back cover here. It's a P97 or P975F. I have to do a little more reading on it, but I mean, it's kind of cool. You open it, you get to see everything. And I looked at it, I don't see any bad caps or nothing. I mean, this is back when they made stuff good. I wonder where this is made. I wonder if it was made in America. America. It actually doesn't say. Interested. But it's got an external earphone and external power. And then I thought this is super cool. Look on the side here. It's actually got a place for an external antenna. I mean, this is back when they were thinking about things. And it also has a place to plug external power. But to me, this is a transistor style radio. So let's go ahead and I already grabbed some batteries here. Does look like I see a little bit of corrosion over here. Nothing bad, but let me go ahead and brush it off if I can. Yeah, I thought I had it. Yeah, there it is. A little steel brush will do real good on that. Probably had a set of batteries sitting there a little bit too long, but definitely didn't eat away at it or anything. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I could always hit it with some memory cloth if I need to too. Anyway, put some brand new batteries in it. Let's see if this old guy works. Batteries in it. Let's see. Positive goes positive. Yeah, it's a 6-volt radio is what it is. Snaps in like that. Like that. Cool, I like the way it holds them. Okay, got some fresh batteries in there. Well, the jury's gonna be out on this. Is she gonna power up? Band select. Oh, cool. AM, FM. We'll start with FM. That's a good sign. I hadn't even tuned yet.
I did that. Well, come on.
Mind you, this is in a steel building. That's a good sign. We'll go ahead and let's see what AM does. Now, I need to clean that. Another problem there. We're getting any AM. Not hearing much on the AM. Might just be because well, let me clean it and hook an external antenna up and see if we got AM too. We definitely have FM, without question. Heck, even with the antenna down, sounds like it's gonna sound pretty good too. Anyway, let me go in here. I could definitely tell those potentiometers need some cleaning. Let me clean the switch here, and I'll hook an external antenna up and see if we get AM on it too. Electron, man, we're back with the oh, what was the number on this silly thing? The P975F General Electric. As you saw before, I was trying to get AM. Well, I got to messing with it, and the good old signal tracer that I built helped me out on that. Sure enough, this old guy's got a cap that it just ain't carrying its load no more down in there. You see this orange wire here. I had to get creative. I'm sure the whole thing needs to be recapped, but basically I got to the bottom of the cap and inserted a cap kind of ugly wise just to get it up and running to see if it worked. But now I've got the AM FM working, but yeah, it needs a recap, and I don't know that I'm ready to take that one on right now. That might be a cold winter day when I want to get that one. For one thing, this thing's like it's going to be a booger to get out of this case. It should be very interesting. It's got these like blind screw nuts, but anyway, I wanted to show you kind of. We do have her working now, which is cool. I got her on AM now. Let's see if I can.
It's not supposed to do. Yeah, dude, I've said it a million times and I'm like, now I'm confused. I'm hungry. President Biden's agenda.
It's got good sound to it. I'm happy with it. I'm tickled. I mean, I do have it running now, but it really could use a whole recap. Like I said, one's already down that I had to route around, and I wish this was a little easier to pull the circuit board. I'd go ahead and do it because I counted there's only like 7 or 8 caps on here, so it wouldn't be a real hard one to recap. Just a matter of getting it apart. And like I said, we'll make it a cold day, but cold day project. But until then, hey, it works great on AM and FM. AM now. We already checked FM. FM was rock solid on it, so you know, for what I got in it, like $10-12, you know, cool little item to put on the shelf to talk about. That, and if you had a storm or something, or wanted to go by the pool and listen to it and have some nostalgia with you, this is the guy to have. Sounds good. It's a good little old radio. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little overview on this. I don't know you're going to see too many of these sitting around. Anyway, have a great day. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up.